Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, if you're having problems with your garbage disposal, we have a few items to check out to make sure it's working properly. Okay, for the sake of the demo, I've got a disposal here out, but imagine that this is hanging underneath your sink. On the bottom of the unit here, somewhere there's a reset button. Right here you can see that this is pressed in, which means it's active and ready to go. If you notice when you put your finger there, this button is pushed out. Just go ahead and push it back in. That resets it and the unit should work. But if you then go hit the switch and you hear a humming or a buzzing, turn the switch off. Again, make sure that this is activated. And then the wrench like this that came with the disposal gets inserted right in the center of the bottom of the motor, and you can spin this back and forth. And many times, if you're someone that doesn't use the disposal a lot, or depending on what you put down in there, if you're sure that there's nothing jammed inside the unit, once you can turn this freely, pull it out, and then activate the switch, and the disposal should work. And that's it. If you'd like more advice, please go to our website, acehardware.com, and follow us on our YouTube channel. Or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.